Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travels. And today, pag-uusapan po natin yung ating presentation about 4 ways to earn with us. And we will discuss about earning income with travels and also our new program that we have, the e-commerce platform. So how to become a travel agent? Unang-una muna para dun sa ating travels or franchise travel agent with us, and also dun sa ating bagong program ngayon na e-commerce platform and how you are going to boost your earning in our affiliate program system. So iba po ito, no? It's a 2 in-demand industries, 1 income opportunity. So, double the product, 1 affiliate program. Ito po yung ating program na sistema sa ating platform ngayon. So, without further ado, I think we're gonna move on first. And we'll show you kung sino po kami. We need to makilala nyo kami kung sino po muna kami, who we are, right? So, and what is our backgrounds. So, anyway, my name is Oscar Sisante, and I am the founder of the Liwaliw Travels. We are located here in Calgary, Alberta, and actually the business is start just 2021 to be exact, I think, during the pandemic nung mag-umpisa kami. So, we are located at the New Horizon Mall. So, makikita nyo po rito sa aming picture, no? Andyan po ang ating shop at andyan po ako. Makikita nyo po, no? Sa mga pictures, no? So, the program of Liwaliw so far is we have a marketing place in plan for 2025. So, marami tayong agent and franchisee na working with us. So, we decided to parang itong project na to is to have an office motorhome na magta-travel around Canada and the US. And that is our proposal marketing plan, no, for 2025, but is still in the process right now, no? So maraming dapat na asikasuhin, no? So just so you know kung sino po kami, we just telling you yung ating background, no? So anyway, as I've mentioned about yung ating mga affiliates and ating mga franchisee, no? Mapapansin nyo na medyo malaki na yung group namin. It's because meron po kaming masterclass course, no, na ibinebenta sa Udemy. Udemy is a platform where you can able to access mga learnings, no? So we have the masterclass course na ibinebenta in there. So mapapansin nyo, we already has 30 countries global po, no? So mapapansin nyo, iba't ibang language po yung ating, we already have like 7 or 8 languages na po from different part of the world. So hindi lang po sa Pilipino namin na ibebenta itong masterclass course, kundi sa ibang lahi rin, kasi we have a Tagalog and English version of it. So dalawa po yan, no, translated. Kaya mapapansin nyo, marami po tayong mga affiliates and mga franchisee, no? And here makikita nyo po rito yung testimonies ng one of our student na sinasabi niya, she's gone to the course and the course was informative. They have a good overview of what happened in the background, no, and they're happy about the masterclass course sa travels, no, sa ating video courses tutorial na sinashare, no. So we're just saying this na para makilala nyo kung ano po ang aming ginagawa, no, and who we are. So anyway, moving on. Unang tatanungin, what do you need to become a freelance travel agent, no? So, ano yung dapat na gagawin? First is yung registration po, no? In order to become a fully freelance travel agent with us, kailangan nating mag-register, no? We have a registration online. They can pay, you guys can pay in there. We have a 595 one-time payment, no, to access the full video courses, no, so on your own time space. Another thing is activating the portal system and website. We have two portal system that we offer to our student, and it costs $15 a month, no? And I will explain further regarding dun sa other agencies, host agencies na nag-offer din, which is mas mura po tayo actually kaysa sa mga other host agency po, no? So ano po ang other thing na ina-advise natin sa mga kukuha ng mga video courses natin? They need to complete the video tutorial po, no? Kailangan po na kumpletohin kasi para in the time na nag-undergo na sila ng training talaga, at least alam nila yung pasikot-sikot, no? Hindi yung pagka nandoon na magbubuk na ng client is tanong na ng tanong sa amin. So, yun po. We advise to have them panoorin yung buong video tutorial. So, ano pa po? Join our FB group, no? We have a special official FB group na kung saan doon kami nagbibigay ng mga update, mga marketing tutorials sa aming mga student, no? So, you need to join with us. And once you are done with our masterclass course, meron akong one-on-one meeting via video call sa ating mga student para magabayan sila sa pagbubook, no? Actual booking sa bawat portal system natin. So, yun po yung ating mga ginagawa sa first process stage ng ating mga nagjo-join na freelance travel agent. Moving along, ano yung benefit na makukuha ng freelance travel agent sa atin? Of course, they gonna earn income sa pagbebenta ng mga ticket. Of course, mga packages. Meron tayong website na 24/7, identical website na kung saan pwedeng mag-book ang mga client directly on the website. And nakaset up na po yan, 5% kahit na natutulog po kayo, you are entitled na pwedeng kumita kahit na nasa online. And another thing is the commission shared, no? Compared to other hosting agency, meron silang mga ino-offer na 60-40, 50-50 split share ng commission. Napakalaki po nun sa kanila. But we are very generous sa ating mga student and also sa ating mga franchisee, which is we only give them 80-20% of their commission, no? So, mababa po sa amin compare sa other host agency. Another thing is yung ating live agent, no? Sa website. Merong maasikaso na live agent sa atin if someone asking for details about their bookings, yung mga flight cancellation, name amendment, rebooking, booking with pet, mga pet assistants or wheelchair assistant, doon sa website mismo, meron tayong AI system program dyan na sumasagot sa mga tanong sa mga visitors sa ating website online, no? And another thing is the marketing training. Napaka-importante po na magkaroon ng kalaman sa marketing, no? On how to target an actual audience, no? Kung kayo ay nag-undergo na ng inyong bookings, no? Importante. And yun yung isa sa mga sinashare namin sa aming mga student na napaka-importanting bagay, no? So, yung ating marketing training. Most of our agent, no? They work freelance. Some are working part-time or full-time. They're earning from 500 to 2,000 a month, no? So, depende rin. Siyempre, kung hindi kayo kumilos, hindi kayo kikita ng malaki. Siyempre, lahat ng klase ng business dapat tinatrabaho. So, yun po. Another thing is yung what we set apart from other agency. Gaya nga ng nasabi ko na kanina, kami is nag-o-offer kami ng 80-20 doon sa split sharing, no? Dito makikita nyo itong Nexion, which is malaking company siya, based in US and Canada, nagbibigay sila ng 60-40, I think, no? 40% yung nakukuha ng agent, no? Napakalaki po ng kabawasan para sa kanila, which is sa amin 80-20. And yung kanilang one-time activation fee na makikita nyo na $2,295 po yan, no? Sa amin, halos $595 lang. And the monthly of $15 sa kanila, $50 po yan. Napakalaki po, which is halos parehas lang naman kami ng product na naibibigay. And to be honest, mas marami pa kaming naibibigay kesa sa kanila, to be honest po, no? So dito sa ating comparison agency na nakikita nyo, yung Go Travel, actually, ako mismo nag-enroll dyan. Nag-take ako ng course nila and nagbayad ako ng $499 plus $50. I think I took 2 months, no? But I give up kasi hindi ko nakita sa kanila yung yung hinahanap ko. May kulang, especially sa kaalaman, knowledge about sa travel, yung mga technique or mga sistema, malaking kulang sa pagbibigay ng knowledge, no? So umalis ako diyan, and this is the reason why we put up our business, na kung ano yung kakulangan ng mga agencies, yun naman ang ipinupuno natin sa ating mga agent ngayon, sa ating mga estudyante, no? So moving along, okay. About the difference between freelance sub-agent and franchise travel agency. So dalawa po yan, no? Magkaiba po yan. Doon sa ating franchise travel agency, they have a ways of earning 4 ways to earn as a franchisee. So, 4 po. Bali, kung ano po yung nare-receive namin as an owner, yun po ang mapupunta pag naging travel agency na po sila, franchisee. Which is, yung mapupunta sa kanila yung masterclass course, which is cost katulad ng kinukuha nyo sa amin, yung $595, pag naging franchise na sila, sa kanila mismo mapupunta yung earning na yan, yung $595, okay? And then yung passive income stream, which is yung $15 na sinisingil natin sa ating mga sub-agent for the portal and website system, sa kanila na rin mapupunta po. Plus the 80-20 split. So, sa madaling salita is parang naging katulad nila kami. So, mapupunta sa kanila ang lahat ng privilege na yon para kumita po, no? Ano yung mga benefit na nakukuha ng franchisee? Sinabi ko na nga kanina, I will just explain further, no, para mas malinaw. So, pag franchise ka na, travel agency, makukuha mo na yung masterclass course, which is cost na $595, sa inyo mapupunta yon. Let's say, makapagbenta ka let's say may estudyante na gusto rin matuto na kuhain yung course na masterclass o to become a travel agent, pwede mo siyang ibenta. Let's say makabenta ka ng 5, meron kang 2,975 kaagad, no? For the 5 student. And then yung monthly, let's say magkaroon ka ng 10 total student mo, which is $15 every month mo makukuha, meron kang 150 earning kaagad, no? Plus the 80-20 split, as I explained earlier, no? So malinaw po yan. So, 4 yung kanilang privilege na pwedeng makuha, no? Paano nga ba makukuha yung pagiging franchise travel agency? Of course, they need to acquire yung ating program, yung pagbabayad ng 5,000 sa pagiging franchisee. So, may 3 klase po tayo. Yung economy, which is 5,000, merong 1,000 na down payment, 166 na monthly payment sa 24 months, ibig sabihin 2 years, plus the hosting fee of $50 a month, no? So, yun po yung una. And then, meron tayong premium, which is $595, yung down payment, payable within 24 months na 191 plus again yung hosting fee na $50, no? And the last one is the business class which is total cost of 5,500. So mababa yung kanyang down payment na 300 and tumaas ng konti yung kanyang monthly, 24 months pa rin siyang babayaran na 216 plus again the hosting fee of $50. So yun po yung paraan para maging franchise travel agency ka. So, in case naman na let's say naunang naging freelance travel agent ka lang which nagbayad ka ng 595 nung una mong kinuha yung course. Then, of course, you can also upgrade to a premium. So, doon ka magpo-fall doon sa 595 kung gusto mag-upgrade at maging franchise. Bali, hindi ka na magbabayad. Ang babayaran mo na lang is yung upgrading to paying the monthly fee of 191 for 24 months and the 50, magsiswitch ka na from $15 to $50 a month. And nakita mo naman yung iyong benepisyo sa pagiging franchise travel agency. So, moving along. Okay? So, yun na nga. Ngayon, meron tayong massive promotion, no? Kung if you really wish to become a franchise travel agency agad, no? We have a promotion of, I think it's 3,500 one-time payment for lifetime use, no? Ibig sabihin, nakatipid ka na ng at least 1,500 kung if you purchase the franchise right away and paying the full amount of 3,500. So, ganun pa rin. Yung pa rin yung makukuha mo. You're entitled to get the 595 sarili mo na yung masterclass course, the $15 earnings every month for each sub-agent na magiging members mo, the 80-20 split share commission. So, yun pa rin yung mga privilege plus the referrals earnings na from 1K to 2.5K. Ito kasi yung 1K para sa freelance travel agent yan. So, basically, if you are a franchise travel agency, you are earning for referral as franchise dun sa pag nakabenta ka ng franchise travel na 2.5, no? Kalahati nung 50% of the price ng franchise travel agency, no? Sa program. Moving along, so ito yung ating ino-offer sa ating programa, no? We are API system, supplier integration. Very modern po ang ating sistema sa flight, no? Excuse me, very modern po tayo, no? So we offer flights, rental cars, hotels, tours, cruises, no? And passenger or client, kung sino man pupunta sa website, pwedeng mag-book mismo dun sa ating website. But you can also use our portal system to generate more earnings dun sa inyong portal system, and you can add more markup, of course, no? Kapag gumamit kayo ng sarili nating portal system. So, yun ang guaranteed natin na ang ating portal system is hindi po pipitsugin. Hindi nyo kailangan yung maglagay muna kayo ng wallet, ng funding sa wallet nyo, gaya ng sa iba, bago kayo makapag-book or makapag-book ang inyong kliyente. They can literally pay via credit card. They can literally pay via credit card or even cryptocurrency. Pwede rin po, no? So, yan po yung ating modern API system ng ating mga supplier, no? Integration. So, we're just gonna run here a little testimonies of our clients, no? Yung mga naging franchises natin or mga travel agent natin.
Service travel agency under the leadership of Sir Oscar. Launching a business was my goal ever since, but I was actually worried about the cost and risk. But this travel agency is a game changer because of its flexibility in terms of payment and affordability. Also, it's a perfect business for those who would like to start from home. What truly sets this apart is that Sir Oscar has always been very hands on and he's always there to help you whenever you have questions. He's actually genuinely concerned and committed to our success. Within 2 months, I was able to generate around $10,000 in ticket sales. And the 80/20 commission is actually one of the most generous I've seen. Another perks of having like your own travel agency is the accessible or accessibility to different travel portals that actually makes it easy for me to find the best deals not only for my clients but also for my own family travels. So if you're looking for a business that is practical, rewarding, I highly recommend this travel agency. So if you want to know more about it, feel free to message us.
Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna stop in there. Otherwise, masyado tayong haba, no? So, yun yung ating mga testimonies sa mga naging agent natin. Actually, marami pa. Hindi ko na lang pwedeng ilagay. I think I would make a short video, no? Ng mga edited na, no? But anyway, those are student and franchisee na nag-enroll sa atin. So ito yung ating another way to earn, no, dito sa ating system, yung affiliate referral program system natin, which is yung ibig sabihin very basic na kapag ka nirekomenda mo sa iba, you can also have ways para mag-earn ng income. I'm gonna run a short video here to explain further about what is affiliate marketing for those of you na hindi pa nakakarinig ng salita na to.
Mastery.com, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is and break it down into plain, easy to understand English for dummies. Now, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. Okay, so by you promoting someone else's product or service by using what is called an affiliate link, okay, which is a link that you can get from a company, a product or service, someone clicks on that link and they go ahead and buy, you can earn a commission from that.
There you go. So, malinaw po, no? So, referral program, if you promote the product na nandiyan dyan na, nakagawa na lahat-lahat, and you have the affiliate link, you will earn an income. And yun po ang ating system dito sa ating programa, no?
Mastery.com.
Okay. So, commission, how it works, no, dun sa between freelance travel agent and franchise travel agency kapag nagre-refer kayo, no? Okay, example, if the freelance travel agent nakapag-refer siya or someone parang nag-interested na maging travel agent din, nakita siya na nagbebenta siyang ticket, and then they ask, oh, paano ba yan? Paano ba kami start ng ganyang klaseng business din? And then, they purchase the masterclass course. Of course, yung $595 dun sa freelance travel agent is gonna earn 30% or $178 per referral program dun sa sub-agent na bibili ng course, no? So, yun po yung privilege. Another privilege being a affiliate program with us. Kung sa, let's say naman, ang binibenta naman is yung franchise or someone would ask, paano ba kami mag-franchise? Hindi, ayaw namin ng travel agent lang, gusto namin. Kung baga, malaki network nila, then they decide na gusto namin maging franchise travel agency. Okay, for freelance travel agent, they will earn sa franchise na mabibenta nila $1,000 commission, which is yung ating franchise travel agency is 5,000. Pero, kung ang magbebenta is yung franchise travel agent na agency, if they sell the franchise travel agent agency program, they can earn 50% or 2,500. So nakikita niyo po yung kaibahan, kalakihan, no? Kung between the freelance travel agent and a franchise travel agency. So yun po yung difference, no? Mas malaki yung kinikita ng franchise, nasa kanila lahat ng privilege, no? Rather than being a freelance travel agent po, no? So, mag-upgrade na po kayo for franchise travel agent. Okay, anyway, ito yung ating latest, no? I think wala pang system o program na nagbibigay ng ganitong klaseng generosity, no, sa mga gustong mag-start ng business. This is kind of like a two very explosive type of business, yung travels plus the e-commerce platform system, no? So, yung e-commerce platform is where I think marami nang nakakakita sa inyo nitong company na to, no? Some of you baka may nag-o-offer na sa inyo, no? Yung Live Good, which is health and wellness kind of like e-commerce platform siya. Maganda siya. I am a member in there actually. So, but in our case, no, ito since you bought or purchased a masterclass course with us, or naging travel agent kayo, or naging franchise travel agent kayo sa amin, you are opening another business opportunity all in one. Itong binibigay namin as a reward program po na libre po instead, no? So, kung kayo ay magiging member nito, actually, you have to pay a monthly $9.95, no? Monthly, regular yan. And a yearly membership of $99 US. So, almost parang around 150 rin yan. And you can literally start your own business or a startup business. So, you might think na paano yung system na yan? Paano ba yung freelance? Paano ba yung e-commerce platform? So, as you can see here, yung Live Good is very popular right now, no? So, yung mga produkto nila is actually nasa Amazon na, no? Ayan, makikita nyo, Live Good, Ultra Magnesium, Live Good, right? So, nasa ano na yan? Nasa Amazon, Amazon Canada, Amazon.com, binibenta na yan ng ibang mga members, no? Na active members ng Live Good. Pero since nag-enroll kayo sa amin, we give you the opportunity na magkaroon ng negosyo na yan na wala kayong binabayaran na monthly at wala kayong babayaran na yung one-time fee, yearly, no, na binabayaran. Kasi since you purchase our masterclass course opportunity. So, ano ba yung makukuha nyo dyan? You're gonna get your own product website plus affiliate passive income. Since naging member na kayo rito, whether magbenta kayo, kung gusto nyo magbenta ng product na yan, but if it was me, since libre na, I will try to, scale up or maximize yung opportunity na maibenta ko yung mga produkto na yan. Plus, yung passive income na natatanggap ninyo, since nag-member kayo at active yan, automatically kikita kayo. And to explain further about that, the program of Live Good, it's gonna be in a different, I think, presentation kasi mahaba, no? I'm just giving you a brief information about the company, okay? So, yun lang muna yung sineshare ko sa inyo. So, eto, kung ikaw ay magiging member nila, which is binigyan namin kayo ng opportunity, you will earn a passive income monthly of 2,047 or 16,383 US. Totoo po yan. It's legit po, and I know I've been member to them, so I know how it works. But since binigyan namin kayo ng privilege, you are automatically entitled to earn those. But of course, you need to sell the product itself, selling online, and hindi yung Live Good ang ipopromote nyo, no? In our case, you promote the masterclass course, no? Kasi kung saan, kung meron kayong ma-invite na someone who are interested in travels, damay na po itong produkto na to. So, it's a complimentary giveaway na binibigay namin. Automatically, active member na pwedeng gawin yung another business yung Live Good po, no? And kumikita po kayo dyan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, you will see and makikita yung result kapag nag-enroll kayo sa amin sa aming two type of business, travels and e-commerce platform sa aming programa po. Doon nyo po makikita yan. Talagang kumikita po ang mga magiging member ng Live Good po. So, as I've said, libre po yan. Rewards program for free. Kung tutuusin, may bayad po yan. $9.95 makita nyo monthly, $9.95 yearly. Pero since you are our members of the masterclass course, ibinigay po namin sa inyo na free po yan. And to learn and understand more about Live Good, we have a different presentation na pwede namin i-share sa inyo at makasama yung ating mga experts sa Live Good na pwedeng magturo o mag-present sa inyo about the product itself. And I myself, pwede ko rin ituro sa inyo. So, yun po yung ating whole presentation and I think nagustuhan niyo po. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, feel free to message me and also connect with us on all our social media platform, no? Sa ating website, sa Travels, sa liwaliwtravels.com, sa ating FB page, no? FB official group page, YouTube, TikTok. So, madali nyo po kaming makokontakt dyan sa mga binigay nating information. And, of course, iiwanan namin kayo ng isang final quote, no? Sa mga lahat ng nagpaplanong mag-business, of course, hindi magmamaterialize kung hindi tayo gagalaw. And one word that I saw from the internet na nakita kong naayon at talagang tama naman, no? Kung hindi tayo ang sinasabi rito is success only comes to those who dare to attempt. Kasi kung hindi mo susubukan, hindi mo itatry, walang mangyayari. Hindi mo makikita yung result, no? So, yun po yung ating sinasabi na yung action is always first, no? Kung if you really plan to do something, no? And mag-materialize yung mga bagay na yun. Anyway, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking presentation. Kung may mga tanong kayo, feel free to message or contact us. Anyway, you have a great day. Bye.